Welcome to the channel. If you're in the market for hosting and you've been searching for a valid coupon code, this video will save you both time and money. While a 10% discount is commonly found across the web, there is actually a 20% discount available, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to access it. The coupon link provided in the description below automatically applies a 20% reduction to your order at checkout. There's no manual code required, and it works across all countries with pricing displayed in local currencies and relevant languages, making it accessible regardless of where you're located. After clicking the link and arriving on Hostinger's official website, navigate to the Products and Services section in the top navigation bar. Here you will find their full range of hosting solutions including web hosting, cloud hosting, website builder, and business email. To walk you through the process, I'll be using Hostinger's VPS hosting as an example. Their current VPS plans include KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8, each suited to different performance requirements. Upon selecting the KVM2 plan and proceeding to checkout, you'll notice the 20% discount has already been applied automatically, no additional steps necessary. One important recommendation: use an email address that has not previously been registered with Hostinger. This helps ensure the promotional discount is recognized correctly. If you found this guide useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more hosting tips and deals.